sold it to Autodesk. I say we. I had a co-founder, Jesse Peterson. Sold to Autodesk for $275 million in January of 2019.
Imagine a world where estimating is not an event, but a seamless process. Introducing Ediphi, the cloud-based platform built to transform pre-construction. From conceptual design estimating to detailed buyout, Ediphi brings predictability and transparency to every project.
Well, I'll say that from my experience in pre-construction, you're lucky if you recover 50% of your costs.
Most general contractors then claim to have good cost or pricing databases. Do you think this is true? Do you agree?
No. No.
This is something that's going to let you go to your grandson's baseball game on a Friday instead of saying bye to the cleaning lady. And frankly, when I went into pre-construction, it was because it was my ability, one, to solve the toughest problems.
You have to meet the industry to some extent where they are. And you have, as the founders, have to have a strategy to take them where you want to go.
What is Ediphi's IPO story?
If we actually create the platform for managing pre-construction, then that would be an IPO story.